In today's video, we are looking at how to download the source files of any websites for free. Okay, so this video is for learning purposes. If you want to download any websites resources for learning, that's what this video is for. So I'm going to show you how to have access to all of its files, and then you can go through it. So the way we do this is to get onto your browser, and then I want you to search for save all resources. Okay, now this is a Chrome extension, so you can click on the you should click on the very first content of the search that appears, and then what we want to do is to add to Chrome. Okay, so you just click on add to Chrome and then confirm and add that extension to your Chrome. Okay, right. So as you can see, it's been downloaded and our extension has been added. Okay, so now we have the save all resources in our browser extension. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to visit any website's URL. Okay, so you just get the domain of that particular website and then you can check it out. Okay, so for me, it's a domain that I've already worked on. So we recorded a video where we learned how to host a website on cPanel. So that's the video that we are going to look at. Okay, so we have this um, law tutorials.learnwithdave.xyz where we hosted our technical documentations website. Okay, so yeah, this is the website that we are going to use as a test for this particular video. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, we want to inspect the website files, and then on inspect, what you want to see is you usually have the elements of the site, console, resources. Okay, but just by the network, you see some two arrows after network, the network tab. I want you to click on that, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the list, so we have performance, memory, application security, and all of that. Okay, you will see resource save. I want you to click on that. All right, so now we have resource saver fully open, and this is kind of um, the tool that you're going to use to have access to all of the website's resources, okay, or files. Okay, so make sure you are checking all of these check boxes. So we want to check beautify JS, HTML, CSS code before download, and then we want to also include all assets and requests. Okay, so once you finish checking all of these check boxes, you see the website reloads, and then you can see we have save all resources. Okay, so click on save all website resources, and as you can see, we have a download here. Okay, so it has it called learnwithdave.xyz.zip, so it's a zipped file. Okay, so if you want to re-download, you can download, but that's not necessary. You want to check out the files. Okay, so you can go to your downloads. If you are on Windows, you should have this file on your downloads. Even on the Mac, it should be on your download. Okay, so you can just come to your browser, go to downloads, and then this is the only file I have on my downloads, so I'm just going to click on that. Okay, yeah, so once you click on it, it should start extracting, and then I have my learn with dave.xyz. Okay, and if you open this file, I'm just going to move it onto my desktop here. So now that we have learn with dave.xyz, you can just open it. Okay, yes, so now if you open it, you have the tutorials.learn with div.xyz. Okay, so this was a subdomain of the learn with div.xyz. Okay, so if you open that, you have all of the CSS files and all of the HTML files. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you download all the files of any website you may want. You can open this on Visual Studio Code to check it up. Okay, so for me, I'll open folder at terminal, and I'll just run a command to open it on VS Code. Okay, so we have code, and then you have an extension here. Okay, so yeah, if you want to run this on your device, I have a video where I dedicated to installing Visual Studio Code, where I went through all of these processes. So if you want to check it out, please, I'll leave a link in the description, so please check this out. Okay, so yeah, these are the files that we have on that particular website. Okay, so this is how you have access to all of the website. If you want to see it, you can view it on live server, and it should open up the site. Okay, yes, so this is the exact same site you have on live server. Okay, so you can go through it. If the reason you are downloading is to customize into your own, if that is allowed by the site owner, please do, but don't use this for illegalities. And I hope you enjoy the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future updates. Have a nice day.